Marshall is digging, thinking he can get the stick, which is a tree stump. Actually, I think it might be a tree root. Marshall, it's a root of the tree. Marshall? You can't get it, mate. It's actually attached to that big tree. Marshall? The stick. You can't get the stick. Look, he snapped them off. Look at me. Marshall, look at me. Look at your face. Are you finished? Are you defeated? Are you defeated? Are you defeated? No, he says, I'm not defeated. I will stay here till I get it. No, don't flick it on me. Hello? Marshall? Excuse me? No, enough now. We're going. Bye then. Oi, Marshall. Bye then. Right, Mummy's going. Bye. Come on. Let's go. No, see, this is stubborn Dogue De Bordeaux for you. They are the stubbornest dogs. Marshall? Look, you're not going to get it. It's a bloody stump. Whatever it is, a root of the tree or something. Come on. Look, now you're choking. Now you're choking. Come on, we're going. Marshall. We are going. We're going. Look at the state, you know, you have to get a bath.